Connecting your risers properly. The way to do this is very simple. They are all designed in a way to slide right onto your GPU. You can't make any mistakes on this. You'll notice when it doesn't fit. Some of them have a clicking system to lock the GPU in place, but others make use of a sliding system. They all have the same property of being connected to a SATA or Molex connection on your power supply, but the most common connection is going to be SATA. But also these have different ways of being connected to the riser itself. They can have a 6-pin to SATA for easy connection, or a more hard connection with Molex connection, where I'm not really a big fan of because it needs a lot of pressure to connect these to the risers, and I'm really scared of breaking them. And there's even a version to connect it straight to your SATA cable, and this makes it better if you want to have less cables on your mining rig builds. But don't ever connect more than 2 risers at the same time onto a single SATA cable. This is the biggest rule of all. When 3 or more risers are connected to a single SATA cable, I can assure you that it will burn down after a while. And it's not a good idea if you want to burn down your house because you want to use less cables on your build. So now that you know how to connect your risers properly, thanks to this short video, I would say I'll see you guys in the next one. And make sure to subscribe and check out our new web shop because there's a lot of things coming in soon. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.